This is why you're lonely. This is why you're lonely. This is why you're lonely. This is why you're lonely.
It's impossible to figure out your ways. There are far too many tragedies still living in this place. It's impossible trying to work things out. And honestly, I don't think that you know what it's about. And I don't need you, desperate and lonely. I see through every little lie. Believe me, if I would have seen it coming, I'd be desperately running, trying to make your memory fade away. It was never that easy to get away from you. Fade away, will you ever release me? You're still trying to tease me, just let it fade away. It's exceptional, the things you made me do. As I'm looking back at everything that's broken 'cause of you, it's remarkable. I cannot